Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and there is some fantastic news in MAGAland. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. Also, if you really want to support Donald Trump, if you really want to support the conservative movement, go ahead and smash that join button. It really helps us out with this coming election. Now, folks, what I want to tell you is sometimes the best laid plans of mice and men and Democrat attorney generals and district attorneys, they just fall away. They just don't work out the way they intended them to. That was the case in Nevada. See, the district attorney and the attorney general and all the people and all the king's horses and all the king's men over there, the Democrat attorney general, he decided to bring charges in Clark County against what he called the fake electors, the fake MAGA electors that were going to usurp the government and overthrow the government and change the results of an election. And democracy itself was in peril. Well, he brought the case to Clark County. So why did he bring the case to Clark County? I'm going to tell you in a second, but first what I'm going to tell you is that the judge in the case told him the crimes weren't committed in Clark County. Therefore, he couldn't prosecute it in Clark County. Therefore, the case was dismissed. Now, he has vowed to appeal this decision. He's probably going to fail. And in the words of one of the defense attorneys, the case is dead. I'm going to tell you why he brought it in Clark County. I did some research this morning. Clark County is overwhelmingly Democrat. Now, that would have gave him probably a Democrat jury, and it would have probably gave him a conviction. Instead, the crime, if it were a crime, was committed in Carson. So why not go to Carson? Well, Carson's about 3-1 Republican registered. And he don't want that jury. See, when they tell you that Donald Trump, well, he got a fair trial, a jury's a jury, they knew exactly what they were doing when they brought the case against Donald Trump in Washington, D.C., in New York, in Fulton County. They know exactly what they are doing. They don't believe for 1 second these juries are impartial. They know they're not. That's why they're bringing the cases where they're bringing them. If they believed it was impartial, they wouldn't have objected to a change of venue. But they wanted their impartial jury, and they wanted it in Clark County. The difference is, in Clark County, you had a judge that did her job and rejected the case and said it doesn't belong here. I want you to watch this report on it and let me know what you think in the comments. As always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and smash that join button. It really helps us out.
In Nevada tonight, a judge just dismissed a criminal indictment against 6 Republicans accused of signing certificates that falsely declared Donald Trump the winner of the state's 2020 presidential election. Sarah Murray is joining us right now. She's got more on the so-called fake electors case. What does this mean, Sarah?
Yeah, Wolf, this was a judge, again, in Nevada who dismissed the charges against half a dozen pro-Trump fake electors in Nevada. And the reason the judge made this decision was she essentially said that this case was brought in the wrong jurisdiction. It shouldn't have been brought to her in Clark County near Las Vegas. It should have been charged in northern Nevada. Now, the Nevada Attorney General, Aaron Ford, said after this decision, he told the Associated Press, other reporters who attended this hearing, that he would go straight to the Supreme Court. He said the judge got it wrong and will be appealing immediately. But defense attorneys in this case feel like this could effectively be the end of the case. They believe that there is a statute of limitations at play here that's going to prevent the government from being able to continue to fight this battle, Wolf.
And you're also tracking Steve Bannon's attempt, Sarah, to delay prison time. What can you